Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford Fusion this generation here from year 2013 to year 2020. If you have one of those, if you need to find where the run start relay is located, you may have something hidden. Make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about that, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So let us tell you a little bit about us guys. When we get a car here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 free repair videos absolutely to you guys. We make a video about every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car doesn't start, you can easily identify what causes that. You can search for engine starter fuse, fuel pump fuse. Let's say that's a problem, you replace it, you're back in the road. It takes less than 2 minutes to watch the video guys. So that will be guys our mission, to make your life easier and to solve your problem. Now in addition guys, we have other channels as well. We make 300 free repair videos on every car we get at the garage, take them completely apart. We do engine work, transmission, body work, engine codes, fuses, anything like that. Now why we do that? To save you money guys. So on this Ford Fusion there are different years, okay, through the different models through the years from 2013 all the way to 2020. There will be some minor differences about the fuses. So if you notice that we mention up to 2-3 different fuses for the same thing, it could be because it could be a different fuse for a different year, but we're trying to help all of you with that generation Ford Fusion. So let's start on it now. The run, start, stop relay, where you can expect to find it, we will demonstrate on this generation Ford Fusion here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes, some of them are extremely hidden, and we recommend to check the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location. Check it out. Go ahead, open the hood. Here under the hood on the driver's side you see that cover that looks like a T. Open it and you'll find the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So another thing guys, before I forget, if you guys need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools for Ford Fusion or any car at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put a link in the description of the video below for your convenience. That way you do not waste your money and time. So the run, start, stop relay guys, where you can find it. Some of you will not have that one. If you don't freak out, we'll explain what you need to check. Let's zoom in. You see guys, that's relay 2, 4, 6, 9, 15. Under that relay here, where you have the empty hose, you may have a run start relay on some models. If you don't, check relay number 9. It's for the powertrain guys. But if you don't have a relay 15, you need to check one fuse that's known as a run start relay fuse. It's located on the driver's side. Under the dash, here you see that lower trim on the bottom. It attaches with 4 clips underneath, one here, 2 like that on the other side. Pull from top to bottom, it opens. Deep inside the dash we have a fuse box that will look like this one here. Here you will need to check one more fuse specifically guys, and we're talking about fuse number 18. This is the fuse here, double fuse. That's 17 and 18, 2 fuses in one. That is your run, start, stop relay fuse. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.